Everyone thinks the best-selling car air vent phone holder is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, VICSED MagSafe Mount. Let's kick things off with the VICSED MagSafe car mount. Priced at $29.01, what caught my attention is its upgraded strong magnet power. If you want a secure hold that keeps your phone in place even on bumpy roads, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This magnetic phone holder is designed for iPhones 12 to 17 Pro Max, which means if you have one of those models, you'll love how easily it snaps in place. The 360-degree adjustability is a game changer too. It lets you rotate your phone for the perfect viewing angle. Plus, with over 4,000 units sold in the past month, it seems like a lot of people are finding it useful. Now, some people complained about the magnet being too strong, making it a bit tricky to remove the phone at times. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who wants a reliable hold and doesn't mind a bit of extra effort to take your phone out, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you drive frequently and need a dependable mount that won't let your phone slip. Skip this one if you're looking for something you can detach quickly. At this price point, the value is solid for what you get. Now, if the strong magnets removal issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, UGREN Magnetic Mount. Next up is the UGREN car phone mount, priced at just $11.38. What stood out to me is its compatibility with the latest iPhone models and its strong magnet. If you want a budget-friendly option that still holds your phone securely, this one is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. The magnetic hold ensures your phone won't budge during sharp turns or bumps, allowing you to focus on the road. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among budget-conscious drivers. However, some users noted that the mount can be a bit stiff to adjust. Here's the thing, if you don't mind a small learning curve when adjusting, it's a minor flaw that won't ruin your experience. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still need a reliable holder for your phone while driving. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible adjustment system. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something more durable. Product number 3, Andabil Sturdy Holder. Lastly, we have the Andabil 2026 upgraded car phone holder mount, priced at $27.33. What I found interesting is its military-grade metal clip, which promises a sturdy grip. If you're looking for something that won't easily break or bend, this is definitely worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you. The metal clip means it can withstand a lot of wear and tear, which is great if you're someone who switches cars often or has kids in the backseat. The mount is compatible with a wide range of phones, including the latest iPhones and Samsung models. With over 1,000 sold recently, people are clearly impressed by its durability. That said, a few users mentioned that it doesn't fit all vent types perfectly. Here's the thing, if your car has standard air vents, you should be fine. But if you have a unique vent style, you might want to check compatibility first. This is perfect for you if you prioritize durability and want a phone holder that can hold up over time. Skip this one if your car's vents are on the smaller side. Considering the build quality, the price seems quite reasonable. So we've explored 3 solid options for car air vent phone holders. The VICSED offers a powerful magnet and adjustability, great if you drive a lot. The UGREN is budget-friendly and still gets the job done, perfect for those counting their pennies. And the Andabil offers unmatched durability if you're hard on your gear. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs.